Hey, good morning, YouTubers. This is going to be the first video in what I hope might be a series about converting my bike into an electric e-bike. This is about a 4-5-year-old Diamondback Edgemont. Bought it about 5 years ago, and for a while it was my main mode of transportation to and from work. And I drove it about 20 miles every day. It's been a really good bike. I really like it. And now I find myself in a situation where it's going to become my main mode of transportation again. And I am going to convert it into an electric e-bike. So this is kind of the before, and I'm going to do the after. Now, these are the parts that I've been purchasing and putting together. And I'm still waiting on a few parts. Set of handlebars, tire for an inner tube for the rim. But what I got here is a set of SKS Commuter II fenders. There's an Axiom Journey MK3 rack for the rear. There is a 14 amp hour 48 volt battery that I got from Luna Cycles, rack mount style. There are the handlebars, brakes, and the display from the Golden Motor Edge kit, 48 volt 500 watt sine wave controller kit. I've done a lot of research over the last several months on all the parts that I think I'd like to get that I can afford and put on. I'm not going to do the whole unboxing type thing, and I'm not going to do the whole installation type thing. There are plenty of videos on how to do that. If I run into problems and situations, then I will go ahead and say what I ran into and what I needed to do to fix it. But for the most part, this will be about putting it together and then riding it and my experience with riding it. So I hope you all stay tuned and have fun.